And here we are with the next speech. We have on stage Alessandro Agnati, Managing Partner of Symphony Prime, and he will talk us about the methodology of AI in marketing. The floor is yours. Thank you, Alessandro.
Thank you. Hello. Hello to everybody. I'm very happy to be here on this stage. This is my third, if I remember well, SFSCon, but this is the first time that I'm trying to tell you something. As mentioned before, my name is Alessandro Agnati. I work in Symphony Prime. Symphony Prime is a group of companies, basically technological companies. We are here in Neutech Park since I think 2.5 years. And we make a lot of stuff. If you have some question on something to ask outside in the foyer, we have a desk. We have our fantastic colleague that are at your disposal to every kind of questions. Last information, we have also a scratch and win game. So if you want to pass to our desk, maybe you can win something amazing. Let's start with the talk. Today I want to share with you our experimental methodology regarding the AI and what AI can support the generation of marketing plan. We call this methodology Athena. Maybe you know that Athena is the Greek goddess of knowledge, so it's a name archaic and just a little bit powerful. Devo fare io. Okay. What we are going to see is a very quick background and context of why we decided to begin this experimentation, the methodology, what are the benefits, and one use case that I want to show you. Okay. I don't know if. Okay. I don't know if you know how difficult and complicated it is to defining a marketing plan. A marketing plan have a lot of steps inside, starting from the choice of channel, the design and implementation of advertising campaign, definition of target. Very many steps, every steps with a high level of complexity. So we decided to try to create a methodology to understand how artificial intelligence could help the definition of this marketing plan, and in particular every step of the marketing plan. Important thing to say is that all this experimentation is based on some learning, some studies that we made about AI prompt definition. As you maybe know, to have a dialogue with an artificial intelligence, the first and the most important point is to have a good way to explain, to write, to text the prompt to let the artificial intelligence work in the better way. I come back later. Which are the benefits of this program? Obviously, Athena could simplify the work of marketer because can reduce execution, can speed up, and can support marketer through every step of the process. Artificial intelligence could suggest, speed up, I mentioned before, could analyze a huge volume of data. Also, a person could do this, but it's the difference is the time between a human analysis and an automatic analysis made by the artificial intelligence, and also can create, because if we give the right command to tools of artificial intelligence, we can arrive just to have the asset, the final asset of digital campaign. Some application and use cases that we can do with Athena or many other programs like this, because as I mentioned before, this is our experimental methodology, but everyone could try to create a methodology like that. These applications, as you can see, are very different and very important one by one. We can make an implementation of brand strategy. We can define buyer personas for the campaign. We can analyze the performance of a marketing campaign. We can analyze social and sentiment analysis of what we can bring from focus group. We can help CEO and SEM in researching keyword tag and so on. We can design directly the ads for advertising, and obviously we can create a social pad editorial plan. I come back. Okay, this is the four. These are the 4 steps, simple steps, that compose our program. The first one is to define a business profile. What is the business profile? Is a detailed description of our brand, our company, our business. Without this description, artificial intelligence could not begin its job, and more detailed is this description, more result we can obtain from the algorithm of artificial intelligence. The second, I've mentioned before, is the right definition of the right prompt from what we want to obtain from artificial intelligence. The third is obvious, let me say. When AI gives us the output, it's fundamental that a human make an optimization and an analysis about all the content that AI can give us. And then the last one, the creation of the marketing plan. I want to show you what we have done as experimental methodology for ourselves, because we starting for Idea, our company, part of Symphony, just to understand if this methodology could be useful and powerful. So our goal is to create a marketing plan for an hypothetical service or product called e-commerce experience. And we asked to AI to give us every step to reach success in 1 year. So we as I mentioned before, the first step was the creation of business profile. As you can see, the business profile could be a simple Word file, Excel file, or something like that. The important thing is that every description are more detailed possible. because the artificial intelligence obviously have to learn from this content, from the link of the website and all the stuff that are in this description. In few words, the business profile is the summary of the brand, and is important that includes description of the company or of the brand, value proposition, in which industry or market operates, target audience, and all these important stuff that a marketing plan need to be effective. The second step, the prompt application. So here is an extract of all the presentation that we made, all the methodology and the results. But just to let you understand, this is the real prompt that we put into the artificial intelligence. In this case, I don't remember if I say before, we use ChatGPT, OpenAI. But you can use whatever you want of these tools. Here we are exactly the prompt that we input to have the result. So ChatGPT, I want you to act like a marketer research. You have to search consider this aspect, and we want to obtain demographic characteristics, occupation, and so on. I show you the result. This is the output of ChatGPT. Obviously, we put in a table, but the result is this. And depending from the instruction that we gave with the prompt, he found these demographic characteristics. So the audience persona to sell our product is hypothetical Marco with these characteristics, 35, 50 years. He lives in a big city in Italy, Milan, Rome, Turin. The education, the occupation, interest, and so on. And these are topics absolutely interesting and fundamental to set the campaign online. I try to accelerate because I see the time is running. This is the main segment that we have to consider for our campaign. So technology and innovation, because we, as you remember, we defined that we want to sell our product called e-commerce experience. And we try also to go straight just to the advertisement, the post that we need to have to make the campaign on Meta. So we give to artificial intelligence some information for Facebook. Product name, category, and so on, and we ask to write a headline for an ads to put on Facebook. This is the result. Is not the optimus that we can obtain. Is not. I don't know any marketer that bring this and go directly online to put the advertiser on Facebook, but is in every case a good starting point to work and to optimize what we want to have like announce. The imagine is quite normal, nothing that one good designer could do. Just to close and to give some topic, In this table, we have represented the time saving for each activity that we can have man versus artificial intelligence. Only the last, this is our mantra, AI can support, but AI could not replace human. We every time need human to work and collaborate with AI. AI is a tool.
Alessandro, thank you very much.